12647, let them know your direct RDO. 073, contact Waco approach 12765, have a good day. King Air 7 Papa Whiskey, contact center 13537, good day.
All right, bettersaferadio.com, they have got this new HT out that is a yellow version, the UV9 Papa X-Ray Plus, and we're going to talk about it today. You can see right now, I did a short video on this channel a little bit ago displaying this same US-CIA channel. I don't know why they call it that, but that is maybe that stands for something aeronautical or airport or something like that. I don't know. CIA, you think Central Intelligence Agency, but this is basically air traffic control at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, which is really close to me, so it is not any government type interference here, but or government agency working or anything like that. But these are great radios. Really like these Better Safe radios because they come pre-programmed with a 900 plus memory code plug. So over 900 channels are present in this radio. This is the dual band ham radio version. They also have a GMRS version. This video is being recorded in November of 2025. Shortly before Black Friday and Christmas sales are going on. They do have a fall sale running right now where I think it's up to $14 off of specific models. Every day, including during this holiday season and long after it, every day you can save an additional 7% off of most everything on this website with the coupon code of HR2 all 7. This video you're watching right now is not sponsored, but Market Better Safe Radio did send me these for no charge at all in exchange to make a video. So wanted to show you guys this today because I really like these colored radios that are easier to see in the field. Great to carry around in the field. I have dropped my radio in the field several times by walking around at my hunting lease, and I found it later on because it was colored. Not this one, but the bright orange one. But the bright yellow works the same as bright orange. You can see it when it's laying in the dirt, and you drop it, and you don't know it before you run over it with the truck, which I haven't done yet, but you never know. All right, so we can't transmit on that frequency. It says frequency over because it's outside the transmit range of this radio. But it does say CIA, and it does say FBI 1 and 2, FBI, DOJ. So who knows? Maybe these are CIA airplanes that I have flying behind me over here. I have no idea. But the cool thing is, once again, you can hold scan down here and you can watch this thing scan. And this is going to be somebody emailed me once and they said, is this code plug regional dependent or is it the same code plug no matter where you live? And the answer to that is it's the same code plug no matter where you are. Okay, he does not have different code plugs for different regions of the USA, but there are over 900 channels in this code plug and you can just get one of these radios and scan it and hit scan on it like I'm doing right now, and see what traffic is near you. Make a note of them, write it down, go into the scan list and turn certain frequencies off or create a new scan list where it only scans those radios that is actually getting traffic in your area. But you can do that easily and find out what's near you and then, have a good time of scanning over different frequencies and monitoring traffic in your area. So some people have emailed me and said, okay, so the price point on this matches a few other radios and what's the difference here? And I'm like, a lot of people are kind of scared of programming radio and they don't know what frequencies are near them. So this code plug's actually worth quite a bit. Also, this radio comes with a higher capacity battery than some of your other Wouxun models. It is only dual band instead of tri-band. I would love for Mark to work on a tri-band model. I've talked to him about that in the past. He's open to it. It's just a matter of what he can work out with Wouxun as well, because he does all the design and features and whatnot, and then they're built in China by Wouxun. So that's kind of how that works. But it is, these are really great radios. I tell people that when you're first getting your ham radio license, go and pick up one of these radios because it has all of these pre-programmed channels in it. Okay. Also, you can save a 7% discount on it at this website where I don't have that coupon code available at other websites that sell Wouxun radios. I want to put this thing on the power meter and see what it does. So let's check that out. We're going to go over here to our Teletron meter, courtesy of Gigaparts. You can get those meters at Gigaparts. And I'm going to, down there at the bottom there, you can see it says 2-meter calling frequency. So that's the channel we're going to test today. We're going to test that 2-meter calling frequency, which is 146.520. And this radio has low, medium, and high settings there. There's a low power right there on the bottom band, high power, middle power. So we've got 3 power settings here. So I'm going to leave that there. 2-meter calling frequency, 146.520. Like this. Okay, 1.3 watts on low power. That's good. That's good. You want your low power to be right around 1 watt, in my opinion. Change it to middle power there. Ooh, 6 watts. Nice. I was expecting 3 to 4. Good deal. It's supposed to be about an 8 watt radio. So let's go to high power. There, exit. Which means you're calling 8.8, almost 9 watts. Look at that. 8.7 watts. Right there. Good SWR going into a dummy load, not transmitting outside of the ham shack. And there we go. So that is a good test. The UV9 Popper X-Ray Plus in the yellow model. He still makes these in black. You can get them in black if you don't like the bright, shiny colors. But you can get this model, the UV9PX Plus, and the new the GMRS version also. He has 2 models that come in yellow. The top of the line dual band ham radio and the top of the line GMRS radio. So check out the link in the description below. Let me know if you have any comments or questions about this radio. Again, not sponsored, but I've been working with Mark for a lot of his radios and radio reviews for a long, long time. Great customer service over there, bettersaferadio.com. Really appreciate you guys checking him out using my coupon code. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, and we will catch you next time. 73.